The money is in the list. YouTube marketing gets the best engagement and conversions. Content marketing is evergreen and makes you money for years. I know this to be true, as I've made millions mastering these methods. So that means, as a newbie, you've got to bust your behind to build a list, stay up day and night to create content, and tear your hair out to write long-ass videos, right? Wrong. No matter what the gurus say, this part is no longer true. Today, we're going to reveal a secret hack that will allow you to harness the power of email with zero email list, the magic of YouTube without creating any videos, and also the mighty force of Google Discover without writing content. Hi, my name is Jono Armstrong. I'm a 7-figure digital marketer. As someone who has made over $6 million in the industry since 2018, I thought I knew all the profitable methods out there, but no. I was proven wrong by these 3 ladies who came to me with such an unusual method that it's been making them consistent 3 and even 4-figure commissions every day. Here they are now.
Hi, I'm Nanda Brahm.
Hi, I'm Kapal Maniba.
I'm Paula Marie. It's true, we have figured out a weird and wonderful method that has allowed us to rise at the top of the morning and are greeted with $294, $647, and even $1,435 a day.
Other people either don't know about it or know how to do it. That gives you a massive unfair advantage.
All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. If you can go on Tinder and swipe left to right, then you can do this too.
I was so impressed with the results that I had to see what the crack was myself. And as it turns out, it's actually super simple.
It doesn't matter if you're a newbie with no experience, or a nobody with no followers, or a mean queen on caffeine, or a wicked witch in a ditch, or an Oreo eating warrior. Anybody can do this. Yes, that includes you.
To really understand how this works, let's step back a bit and look at the ongoing war between Facebook, Amazon, and Google for market domination.
Facebook and Amazon have been a thorn in Google's behind for quite some time now. Their growing market share and e-commerce power means that Google is being squeezed out. Not wanting to be the smelly end of the stick, Google decided to fight back.
Using their latest artificial intelligence technology, Google is combining the muscles of its 3 biggest assets, Gmail, YouTube, and Google Discover, to make sure they have a competitive advantage which Amazon and Facebook cannot match. It is currently little known and flying under the radar, and yet Google, in its typical fashion, has actually been throwing big money at it to make sure it is successful, which results in massive traffic to those in the know.
Now, here are the facts. There are 1.5 billion Gmail users. YouTube has more than 2 billion monthly users, and Google is the world's most visited website, with Google Discover reaching millions of people who are ready to engage with your office.
However, email marketing, video creation, and content creation are too hard and time-consuming for beginners. The idea alone probably makes you want to run for the hills.
I know that you want the fast results without the frustrations, without the trial and error, and without the headaches. So we've joined forces to make it even better and easier for you. We've packaged it into a plug-and-play turnkey business-in-a-box system for you so that you can get set up and running today. Introducing Maeve.
Maeve reveals how to leverage a little-known yet super effective method. Like the original badass Irish warrior queen, Maeve rises the road to turn on highly targeted traffic tap at any time we want and greet us with daily passive commissions.
With Maeve by your side, you can legally hit people's inboxes without ever having an email address. You can reach highly targeted buyer traffic without ever making a video on YouTube, and you can get discovered by eager consumers on Google without ever making any content.
And here's the finger-licking good part. You can do all of this with one single campaign and just 10 to 30 minutes setup. And to make this an effortless business in a box, we're going to give you your own personal pages preloaded with hot and spicy offers that have been making us tens of thousands of dollars. You just plug these pages into your campaign and turn Maeve traffic into cold hard commissions and pretty profits.
So there's not much else for you to do. I don't know a quicker and easier way for you to kill 3 birds with 1 stone than your fearless Queen Maeve.
Traditional email marketing, YouTube marketing, and content SEO can't even get close to what Maeve is able to show you, because you'll be able to strategically place your offer in front of the people who are in the market to buy from you with a single campaign that dynamically grows, generating you leads and results all on autopilot.
This has nothing to do with solo ads, chatbot, building a website, posting on social media, or any of that frustrating and time-consuming stuff. With Maeve, we don't even need the luck of the Irish to generate buyer leads and make $1,435 commission in one single day.
The Maeve Queendom is infinitely scalable to the moon and back. Her lustrous and lead generation power works in any niche, for both online and offline businesses too. All without the need for previous experience, techie stuff, or any massive upfront costs. Heck, you don't even need to be able to speak English properly to do this. Just spare 10 to 30 minutes a day to follow your badass Queen Maeve. And with your whole business taken care of, then you can spend your time doing the things that you really enjoy. Like an epiphany striking your cranium, when you join Maeve, you'll suddenly realize the power you now possess to conquer the digital world, all just for the price of a couple of pints of Guinness and no monthly fees ever. And to sweeten the honeypot even more, we'll throw in 4 fast action bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, how to earn an additional $100 every day by posting unlimited free ads. Bonus number 2, how to get a free $100 coupon for your campaigns. Bonus number 3, more secrets on how to get multiple passive income streams fast. Number 4, how to make money rain according to ordinary real people who do this. All completely free when you join Maeve today. And with her 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk to you.
You better hurry. Time is of the essence, and Maeve waits for no one. Her price is rising every 60 seconds. If you come back later to this page, sadly, you will pay more.
Successful people seize a rare opportunity of Lady Fortuna knocking down those doors. That's one of these moments.
So, click the button down below, get instant access to Maeve, and let happiness and good fortune rain upon you while you build the life of freedom that you have always craved for.